Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a music track onto your stories on Instagram. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the front page, I'm logged into my account, and what you need to do from here is to go and start posting your story. Now, as you can see in the bottom, you have this plus icon. You can click that and then select story from there, or from the homepage, you can just swipe right and it'll immediately let you post a story. Then just select the image that you want, or take it, or play a video, do whatever you want. And then once you're in this sort of edit page before actually posting it, in the top right you'll see these two note icons. What you want to do is hit that note icon, and that will bring you up a For You recommendation and a browse option for music. Here you can select whichever music you want. I'll, for example, select 50 Cent, and as you can see, you can select the part of the music that you want, or the actual lyrics will show up when you drag it like this. And then once you've decided what you want, just hit done. You can also tap on music only to select if you want lyrics or not. And then once you're done with that, you can just click done, and now your music will be added, and once you post your story, that music will be present there. And that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.